Enjoy our Titigan with Mr. Marco.
Franco pala, Kuya Franco, sorry. Pinalitan ko na yung pangalan mo kay Bert. Sorry po.
Niyo. Mabigil ako.
Tingnan lang, magkita ka itong lalaki.
So, they've been working the business for almost 15 years now. So, hindi lang kami nakafocus sa isang business entity. So, one of those na meron si all partner with GCash, with their GCash para outlet, all Bicol region. So, hawak siya ni chooses us to be the partner, a new partner distributor for Bicol. Maybe because Glow, AAD, GCash, One, Generica, sobrang tagal na namin gumagawa ng negosyo with them. And most of you, proven and tested na yan. Na matagal na kaming gumagawa ng business, hindi lang sa isang small business type, but a big business na kilalang kilala ng tao, which is GCash and Glow. So, this will be an evidence na kami is very reliable na business partner. So now, doing business with Samsung as sub-dealers, I am ensuring you all na we will serve you at our best. Kung meron mang mga data dyan na tawag dito, nauna pa sa amin, we will do our best para mas maging okay o mas maayos ang serbisyo namin sa inyo. Yan. So, I'm hoping na with that, ang mga nakikita ko dito after this, partner na namin kayo. So, continue. So, yan. Just to have a great announcement, great Samsung morning and great news to everyone. Ano ba yung great news namin? We will have a 10% off across all gadgets. Ayan, yung binigay na namin yung mga prices so you can check. So, again, just for today's event, we will be giving you that discount para sa support sa event na to and para sa ating unang partnership for your POs. So, bakit? Second, meron tayong special promo. Nag-start na siya ng November 1 up until December 31. Galaxy A07, yung entry level namin, we will be having a price discount of 1,000 pesos. So, the SRPO ng A07 4 plus 64 GB is 5,290.
Nasa 9,000.
Pero magkakaroon kami ng price discount na 1,000 pesos. Na yun ang i-offer ninyo sa mga customer ninyo. You will offer them, instead of 5,290, 4,290 na lang.
May discount 1,000.
And you will be getting the 1,000 discount with Auto High Corporation. Kami yung magbibigay sa inyo ng 1,000 na yan. Okay? Para matulungan din kayong ma-sell out yung produkto, lalo pa magde-December na rin. So yun. Second, hindi na. Meron pa kaming freebies across all A series. So pagdating naman dito sa lahat ng series ng A series, A06 down to A26, we will give you 10% discount. Hindi lang yon. Meron pa kayong freebies na travel adapter na worth 1,190. Kulang pa ba yan? Hindi ka masabat yan? Di ba? So not just 10% discount, but the freebies of travel adapter na worth 1,190. Di ba? So yun. Next. Yun. Ito naman. Only for Galaxy A36 and A56, wala naman talaga siya usually free. But for today's event, we will be giving you a free adapter and a discount of 10%. Yun, di ba? So, I really suggest na you take the opportunity today to pick up yung lahat ng A-series namin. And hindi lang yun, for our Galaxy Z Fold 7, Flip 7 FE, S25 Ultra, S25 Plus, S25, S24 Ultra. Meron po kaming freebies na ibibigay na free watch. Samsung free watch. So yan. Maraming freebies only for today's, ma'am. So, ma'am, sir. So, again, bakit kailangan yung bumili today? Kasi, pag bumili kayo ng A06 5G, A07 LTE, and A07 64, meron kayong one raffle entry. Ano kaya mapapadala na ng one raffle entry yan? Ito naman, pag bumili naman kayo ngayong araw ng A17 LTE, A17 5G, and A26, meron kayong 2 raffle entries. Diba? So, kung meron kayong 4 dyan, dalawa na yan. Kasi isang company naman 11%. Kung meron kayong 2, isa pa rin na entry yan. And kapag A36 naman, at A56 ang bilhin nyo ngayong araw, meron kayong 3 raffle entries. Mas maraming entries, mas maraming chance of winning. So yun, pag S-series naman, flip series and full series ang bilhin nyo for today na may free watch, meron naman kayong 1 raffle entry. So ngayon, ano kayong papalala ng raffle entry yan? So, mananalo kayo ng cellphone. Yun. So, habang nag-represent si Samsung after me, maybe you can decide how many or how much you will pay off. Yun. So again, I think I present the automatic preparation well. So, let me share the floor with some.
Yan, baga si Diyos, kadakol na Diyos. Naugak na na balik.
Abang ko cellphone ko madali.
Zero makes it seamless. And even yung mga preloaded apps na natin, na makikita natin from other brands na pagbukas nila ng phone, di ba? Ang dami-dami na naka-install na app. With One UI 7.0, it's very much seamless and also customizable. And lastly, the Smart Switch. So we are promoting the Smart Switch because this makes the switching and switching of phones so much easy. Imagine if we have to transfer all our photos, videos, di ba po, all our apps na manually, but with Smart Switch, in just an app, we can transfer everything from one phone to another. So, yon. So those are the 4 things that would really promise a customer that they should prefer a Galaxy Samsung A series. 1, on the 6 years update. Second, on Samsung Knox Vault, which is very relevant in terms of our security. Next is on One UI 7.0. And lastly, our Smart Switch that makes it easy to switch or to switch phones for their next purchase. So now that we have understand po the Samsung Galaxy A series and its edge over competition, I will finally unlock our Galaxy A07 and A17 5G. But let me start with our A17 5G. Sino po ang mga nagbebenta na ng Samsung phones dito? Yan. And how about Galaxy A17? Meron na po ba kayong mga stocks ng A17? Ayan, wala pa. So, we are going to unlock it with you. So, Galaxy A17, these are our key enhancements. And this is what you will also see po din sa mga materials natin sa tindahan. First, on Galaxy, have you heard po ba of AI? Do you use AI? We always hear AI na po, di ba? So, yan yung mga, prefer na ng mga Gen Z, ng mga millennials, gusto ko ng AI features sa phone. And what's good about our Galaxy A17 is A17 5G and LTE have Galaxy Gemini Live and Circle to Search. So ito yung pinaka-common at gusto na core AI experience. With Gemini, we can just ask, Gemini, what's the weather today? Or Gemini, can you update me on the latest news today? You can always ask Gemini. And even assignment of students can be asked na rin po through Gemini. So, with the side button, activate the
Ano ba si
Gemini.
latest
And they
boyfriend mo
can ask
pwedeng yapon?
anything. And the other one is Circle to Search. Ito, yung po mga naka-Samsung devices dito. Kapag you open your camera, may gusto kayong i-search. For example, gusto ko yung bag ni ma'am. Itatapat ko lang yung camera. I will open the search sa home button. I-encircle ko lang yung bag ni ma'am. And it will tell me saan ko siya pwedeng mabili, what brand is this, and what this model is. So, di ba, parang on the simple circle to search, you can
Sahong may
already
sahong.
search it.
Indonesia yan,
Yes.
Indonesia.
And next one is on linear group camera. In terms of premium look ng phone yan, panalo din talaga si A17. With the linear group camera design and even the colors, very much premium po. And for that price point, it's very looks premium. And we even made the weight lighter and the phone slimmer para for everyday use, di ba? You can just carry it very much easy. And next one, camera. Camera is a very important feature po of a phone. And lagi yan itatanong ng customer for sure, maganda ba yung camera? And the answer is definitely yes. We have the object image stabilization. So it's a unique OIS feature of the phone that even at dark setting, yan, very clear yung photo. So you'll even see na, uy, parang hindi lang to entry phone camera. So with that OIS, it's possible. And lastly, 6.7 Super AMOLED display. So very bright, perfect for viewing, for social media, non-stop scrolling, and diba, panonood nila on their favorite series. That 6.7 Super AMOLED display is very already bright, gives screen, and even at outside or dark, very light setting, very clear pa rin yung screen. Alright? So, yeah, these are our core enhancements of Galaxy A17. One is the AI experience with Circle to Search and of course the Gemini Live. And we made it even more premium in terms of design and even for the photo. For that, our Galaxy A17 5G and A17 LTE. Our A17 5G, dalawa po siyang memory variants. We have the 256 gig and the 128 gig. So it's 13,590 and 10,590. And for A17 LTE, it's 11,990 for the higher memory and 9,290 for the lower
5G ka na.
128 memory.